ladies and gentlemen, this is the voice and face of Seximeni Mdawini Spandachuma. As you know, I hope I find you well wherever you are. Now, what we have today, we want to welcome Bulawayo Chills podcast.
Sure.
Yeah, right. Bulawayo Chills podcast is a new kid on the block there.
Yeah.
That is coming to give people the goings on in Bulawayo is in relation with the nearest, the neighboring cities, and not only the neighboring cities, but even the neighboring countries. How does Bulawayo relate to America, to Britain, to Bangladesh, to Harare, to Binga, to Bedbridge? So your host here is in Mdawini Spandachuma. We are going to be giving you Bulawayo Chills podcast. Every week you are going to be having some news from us. And Skosana, Bulawayo Chills, it's a new kid on the block, but is already born old. Now, today, before I introduce my guest today, I want to introduce the subject in discussion. Today we are talking about a philanthropist. And in philanthropist, what is philanthropist?
Philanthropist.
Who has committed? Right, philanthropist and is people that offer themselves to help in the society from their coffers. And many times they do that by donations. So today in philanthropy, we want to talk about scams in philanthropy because they are well-known philanthropists. But now there are some scammers that are coming in the name of philanthropists. And in Zimbabwe, we know we've got a number of philanthropists, and on one of them, we've got Sir Wicknell Chivayo. You know him?
Yeah, cool.
Right, Sir Wicknell Chivayo.
Yeah.
And now, to help me in this discussion today, ladies and gentlemen, I've got a very renowned artist. An artist that when I listened to his songs, I thought he was an old man. Then when I met him, I found that this guy is so young. I bet Nikos Kosana there, my friend. Yeah, yes, please, can you greet our viewers?
Okhuluma ngu-Abed Nkosana into lephuma khona lezintabeni esigabeni segulathi yes eMatopo sibonga kakhulu bala Mdawini.
So yes ukhuluma ngesikhiwa.
Yazi ngisaba ngiyacela ukuba isikhiwa sikanyawo okuzalo lwana abeke basizo la.
Yeah. Right Nkosana. Ukutshela iqiniso mina ngiqala ukuza ingoma zakho the depth of everything and I thought you were an old man.
Yazi ukuthi aso wedwa Mdawini kulesikhathi abeka khona ku radio.
Yeah.
Angeke mention ama radio stations.
Yeah.
But abantu abangasithi uAbed Niko sithe ncenye umuntu labo 50 usiyakhona. Then omunye baba asozombona evele plums. So ngangiphakhe opposite kwa Hyperabad.
Okay.
Mantinga yabona umuntu uyade udinga mina lo. Lokho edlula ngithi hayi umuntu omdinga wathi nekhaya phela umuntu lomkhaya mhlambe maybe voice lo mzimba ohambelayo
plus maybe the theme ngengoma zakho
exactly
yes now Skosana namhlanje ngithe sincedisane sikhulume ngabotsotsi laba asebekhona
yes
right wena ngizwile ukuthi ulandwe ngabanye abantu uyabazi Wicknell Chivayo
ngazi kakhulu ingathunyela futhi i-message ngithi Wicknell Chivayo ngothumela i-message want to make a friend request ku Facebook mina ngeke la iscam this azange ngikhomphime hayi ngachiya kunjalo
but ngicela ukubuza wena njengosikhosana owaziwayo njengomculi wegospel music ubona ngani wena uChivayo kakwazi
yazi ngaqama matomi angeke ngitsho but hope
those people, do you know I'm a philanthropist like over Uchiva Lavanant or Elon Musk or Stripe Masiwa over they pay attention to current affairs.
Yes, true.
So Uchiva when I say ngabe was ekuplanning
mina ngakucabangela
iwena ungakucabangela nje yabona
emdaneli apha
so guys, what we are saying, and my friend is a victim of one of the scammers. When you go to the one owabuya ngebizo lika Chivayo,
yeah, you want so far,
right? I mean, I've got three different Wicknell Chivayos. We have a page. The guy's got a page on Facebook. Wicknell Chivayo, and he updates his motors Gachivas corner, but the guy is a scammer. And recently you heard the statement from the real say Wicknell Chivayo. Kuruma Konokti, there are now scammers. And you and me here are victims or potential victims because we didn't succumb. But Abed Nikos Kosana, one of Zimbabwe's renowned gospel musicians, and he was approached by a scammer in the name of say Wicknell Chivayo. And me now, myself, I've received 3 communications from 3 different scammers in the name of say Wicknell Chivayo. And I think you guys, I'll show you one of the messages Konapana on the screen. Can you send me your message so that we display, not now, on editing there, so that it appears. Do you know what I told one of them? I told them that you don't sound like say Wicknell Chivayo, because say Wicknell Chivayo will give me a car, will not ask me for money. Are you serious? Now, Skosana, let's come. First, you don't know what this guy is a scammer or what. He's coming, say Wicknell Chivayo. What did you think when you received that message?
Okay. Ukuthi uChivayo sengazi nje ukuthi sengafuna ukuthi mhlawumbe aze anginbox ku Facebook and a request a friend request. Ngazibuza sibili, ngabamba ifone so ngathi hayi ngabe screenshot.
Were you not excited? Like wow.
Hayi, no, ukuthi njani. Ngaba yazi ukhana kuba obvious vele lawe ifeeling ukuthi zafila njani, but ngabe ngi-screenshot lapha ngabe ngithumele amajidi nami nakubone la wena athi amajidi was confirm wena thola imoto ethi nayi but lo sewa ngikhona indlela abhalwe ngayo hayi aso real Uchiva this massive ngathi abo this is scam this.
Do you know what happened to me when I saw a friend request from say Wicknell Chivayo? My friend, I felt excited. I even told my friends before I responded that hey, I've got a request from the renowned, respectable, say, Wicknell Chivayo, one of Zimbabweans recognized a philanthropist. Then I went there. The first message is, the guy asked me about my family. Everything's so good. And of course, he would be concerned about my family. And now he began to say, do you know that you can make so money by what already?
What's I want something wrong with that?
Uba Uchivayo ndo tanti. Angeka qalisa ukucela imali kuwe. Lamanga yini. Then I realized this is scam.
Endlela futhi apart from that and kulendlela asebenza ngayo nxa kulento afukunika yona. Akakuyi direct. Kulabantu abathuma.
You see.
Yabona into yakho. So ngakwazi be direct so the problem la.
But now sikhona hapo. What is a philanthropist?
Ngokuzisa kwami ngicabanga ukuthi kulabantu labana ngathi aba scams vele and
no as cheer abangama scams khulume nge real philanthropist. Do you know why I'm asking? Do you know what ulamanye public figures? Anazela uthi ale following enkulu. Angaba le following enkulu abe sebonke area yakhe kulo muntu ofuna i-wheelchair. Yabona? Ube kulo mntwana ongafundiyo. Ube lo mntwana ofundayo kodwa le problem ye-fees. Yena abe sebuya athatha i-video lo muntu lwana. Abe secela imali
ebantwini
eyokuthi ayoncedani umuntu lwana. Kodwa imali ingena ngaphi? Ku-account yakhe. Then ingangena ku-account yakhe nguye osekwanisa ukubona ukuthi ayothengela umuntu lokhu lwana. Umuntu onjalo, is he a philanthropist?
Well, yes, because he fraud lo muntu onjalo. Because
but is he a philanthropist?
Yes.
Why is not?
Why?
A philanthropist ndodana ukhipha esikhwameni sakhe. Ayenzani? Ayonceda
donate.
But lo ubuye ebantwini athi ngicelani lokhu la lokhu ukuthi ngiyonceda lo wami.
Sesiba le benefit khonapho la.
Sengakwanisa kuba nayo but even engabanga nayo, the qualification is not a philanthropist.
Okay.
He is a social organizer.
All right.
Mana ngubalele i-definition ifoni yami i-definition ya philanthropist uthi kuyini. Angifuni ukuthi ngithathe isikhathi sakho eside, sorry mngani wami. Mana sibone. What is a philanthropist? Right. A philanthropist, a philanthropist is someone who actively works to promote the welfare of others. He does what? He works. He does not beg. He works typically through donations, like what Sir Wicknell Chivayo does. Sir Wicknell Chivayo will never ask you for money to go and buy Mtawini a car. He will get into his money and buy Mtawini a car. I'm not saying those people that are asking for help from people are wrong. They are right. But the problem, they are not philanthropists. They are social organizers. Uma uthi lapha kufune i-wheelchair, wasebuya ku-society, wa-organizer resources. So there are many people that I have seen in the social media claiming to be philanthropists, but they are not.
Okay.
Uvambi.
So, alright, ngilombuzo lapha.
Yeah.
Right. For example, mana ngenze example mina. Right, ngibona umntwana onida school fees.
Yes.
And right. But umntwana la le potential. And so mina senza that okay, mina esikhwameni sami ayilalutho mina, but ngi-influencer and nama followers amaningi azangizwa abakholelwa kumina yonke into engikhulumayo. Then senza kuma okay nanga umntwana la ule potential esikole, but akasayenelisi ukuthi aqhube ngesikole, and i-school fees ukuthi abhadale school fees akalayo, imali amabhuku alayo, imali amaphileka alayo. Sengicela ke ebantwini banikeze imali. And have I done wrong?
No, you've not done wrong. But you are not a philanthropist.
Yes.
A philanthropist works. He works his own and then gives from his own coffers. When what you are doing, you are simply mediating. So you are a social organizer. You are organizing. You saw Tilapana Funega Dok, we are able to know what you are organizing. You are not a philanthropist. Because the reason why you could not help that child with a wheelchair, with school fees, because you don't have anything. So you come now and ask from the people that are following you. And now when they give you a bumper harvest, and remember when you've got nothing, because that's why you could not help that one. And you can, if you want, divert the funds for your own personal use.
Right. ngicabanga ukuthi nxa sesibuya kule issue ubuya le issue right kakhulu.
Yeah.
Right. Ngifuna abantu balalele kahle. Right. Uba yi-social organizer, right?
Yeah.
Right. Because mina ngeke ngenelisi.
Yes.
Kulaba abantu mhlawumbe abalemali engahamba yaqoqoda kiwo. Then bancede abe ngifuna ukuncedisa khona mina. Engifuna bancede khona through mina. And into wrong.
Ngicela ukhohlwe ngento yakho wrong.
Into wrong.
Yeah.
Yikuthi mina ngikwazi ukuthi kufana nomuntu ophiwe for example othi ahambe elungisa umgwaqo lwa. And for example uKai Road.
Yeah.
And yena afike apheche kuphela. Yena kumele maybe umgwaqo lwathi uvela ucosta for example 20,000 example.
Yes.
Yena 19,000 efake la. Then sethatha kuyi-1,000 sethatha kuyi-oil sethela kuthiwa kuyithara okuncane sethela phezulu. Into wrong ukuthi wena usuhambisa into ezishothileyo kumbe into eziship.
You become a fraudster and a scam because you are coming to the people that are following you and claim in pretense and already that's a scam. So such type of people qualify to be as the scammers that come in the name of a philanthropist.
Yes.
To raise money for themselves.
Yes, but benefit.
They are scammers. So you bring me to another point. I know there are two types of philanthropist scammers. Someone will come in the name of a philanthropist, but they want to fund personal gain. Then someone again, no, that one comes on behalf of a philanthropist. I am sorry so.
Yes.
Owaziwa ukuthi philanthropist yani. Kwathi wena ungavela uzibizo likaNowana uzavuka even ngathi bisi bank account yakho athi le
password imali
singakwanisa ukunika nje yabona. Then sokusiba nabanye obuya esithi mina I am a philanthropist yena engaso a philanthropist. Again that one is a scam. And guys, ladies and gentlemen, they who are watching this video, I don't want to take much of your time. I want to say, watch out for these scammers. Say Wicknell Chivayo will never come to you begging for you to give a certain money before this one comes, like what they did to you.
Yeah, kunjalo sibili.
Right, Skosana. Having said that, why are these scammers interested in you? Who are you? Can you introduce yourself? Because these guys don't just come for anyone. Hello?
Okay. Right.
Yeah, you get what I'm saying.
Yeah. Babakhangela kumbe status somuntu kumbe ba find out ukuthi umuntu lovelu ezangani. Yabo into ezinjalo.
Yeah.
So mina hayi ngaphethe ngikosikhosana nje wengathi oqaliseni lapha introduction.
Yeah.
I'm an artist, gospel artist as well. I'm business person nje. Khona lami ngikwenzayo nje. Yeah, so ukuthi lami ngiphile phela. So uzathola ukuthi abantu labana bayevele sebeyazi impilo yakho ukuthi umuntu onjani.
So ngicela singafiki khona. Wena i-gospel music waliqala nini?
Ngo 20 long back, I think 2014 somewhere.
Okay, what inspired you to choose music, gospel music, as compared to amapiano, amangoma, maskandi, and stuff? What made you choose gospel music?
Yeah, ubuye kahle. Uyakwazi ukuthi ukwenza choose gospel music ukuthi from my young age, ngangivele thina vele sikhule vele sisesabathena and sikhule vele singabantu bechechi vele siphatha abasapha sikhulu senzana, so sakhula vele into yevangeli lithi. So kwabanzima ukuthi right living lama nganjoyina ngama groups okuncancane lokho akuvele sihlabela ini igospel ngazi ngakhula, so kwabanzima ukuthi ngatshintsha imebhunyawo ngicula irumba kumbe ngicula amapiano ngoba vele ayisikho kwami ngiyaqalisela ngathi. But it's gospel govele.
I heard your voice in one of the songs, the harmony sounds. If voice yako, we know I heard it.
Yes. uHarmony Sounds ngacula khona
Oh.
From 2017 up to 2019.
Okay.
Ngasemvalelisa.
Without diverting you, I don't hear much of Harmony Sounds. Are they still existing?
Yes.
Serious?
Yes.
Oh. Serious?
Yes.
The last time I heard is long back. It's years back.
Yeah. Many people are saying so, but
Yeah.
backward.
Oh.
Asebenza madoda.
Oh, thanks. Yes, guys, Harmony Sounds, guys, we want you there wherever you are, please. This is art. You need to entertain us. I loved your music, but nowadays you are depriving me of content, guys. Please, Konapana. Now, from Harmony Sounds, what happened?
Bathi indodana ingakhula ya childish.
Yes.
Because I think Harmony Sounds was the youngest.
So lapha ibattery lethu lapha sile 1 bar lapha sile 1 bar. So let's try to
Liyaqeda one bar. Liyaqeda uke sikufuna.
alright.
Ungaze lakho le.
Leli
But sesiqeda vele, this is random. Thank you.
let's continue.
Yeah.
So
Phakathi.
Let's go. And 3 2 1 action.
okay. Harmony Sounds benzathi mina actually umfana masekhulile and yachayisha. Then now the youngest vele kuHarmony Sounds lapha. Mina vele ubhala vele imbali izingoma. So asembona ukuthi ngazama ukufaka ama instruments ngibona ukuthi kuzahamba kanjani. Yikabaqasa khona first album yango 2019. Yabona into yakhona sebenza lo VG. Mawuviji ngikhumbule ya.
UVG is late.
No.
No, late ngubani?
Hayi
Ngugumbo.
hayi uvela phi Gumbo.
Yeah.
Uvela is not late.
Hawu lamanga.
Is alive.
Manje wayethule.
Sebethule.
You guys, Baba Gumbo khonapho, please VG, VG. Yeah, I remember, yes. No, the very gifted.
Yes.
Lapana like
Ngumuntu ensebenze live from 2019. Ukhona.
Ule number zakhe.
Number zakhe.
Uzanika imdinge baba la.
Ukhona yaphila.
Nangezwa nyaphela sesithi phela umuntu ngasekho.
Hayi akukhona umdala. Usebenze kakhulu.
Baba Gumbo respect. Elders now.
Yeah.
Mama elders respect. Uzanika numbers zakhe.
Gaza unikeza.
Right then from Sufayila what that was album. Your first album, how was it received?
Yeah, uyabona mawuvela la usaqalisa amadenge bakubuza kathi mbani velo. Lungisa lapha lo yadobe impilo yakhe lungisa lapha ngokusanda kufika. Yes, laba lalila vele. Because I remember ngaba ku interview first interview yami yaba ku Khulumani FM interview nguMntase.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So uMntase ngowazamayo yabona wathi hayi lawo zamu ngicela ukutsho lokho mntaweni. Sometimes ama DJs especially mawuqalisa bawu-reject.
Yeah, I know.
Bawu-rejecta but ngibonga kakhulu ukuthi uMntase wangi-accepta for my first appearance ku music.
Khulumani FM.
Yeah, Khulumani FM. First appearance ku music wangi-accepta into zahamba kahle kakhulu. But lo bantu babuconnect lapha na bonda uhambe kahle yabule usiukhula
lapha. Khulumani FM guys that ngithanda ukulibonga. Do you know ukuthi mina ngiqalisa sibili khona saying trend and ku-comedy. I was first recognized by Khulumani FM.
Yeah.
Khulumani FM respects.
I respect.
Of course emuva laphana kwabuya abanye but Khulumani FM uyabona kusese labo Brakesa labo uNtombi futhi get what I'm saying. Khulumani FM and respect. Yes.
Yeah.
Now sikhosana singathatha isikhathi wena kuvele khona nizakubiza kwenye sesikhuluma ngabo lapha besizokhuluma ngani philanthropy. Ngicela ukubuza sikhosana wena nxa kungathiwa khathesi kule live show kufuneka uAlbert Nico Skhosana ungahamba yini kumbe artist lelane le studio? Sorry to be direct.
Uhamba ngahamba mntaweni but I'm very scared of ilokuzenza response yabantu. Sometimes
But when can you perform live?
Yes, I can perform live.
Seriously?
Very live.
Seriously?
And I will try it one day. Mina I hate ukuthiwa kwenzana lip singing njana CD behind. I hate that. Funa live.
Yes.
Kulabantu azachaka ama instruments lama backing vocals am laphana ngichaya live.
Promoters
That means-
out there, let's bring a difference in the arts of Bulawayo. Nankama artist, you've got an upcoming show. Yeah, nankama artist. Apet ngoskosana utiena. Uyakwanisa ukuthi ebuye khona phana anti nge-gospel music alichayele live. Ngicela ke siqalise ukuba diverse kuma shows ethu and let's include a lot of these different music genres khona phana. The voice of Zexman Mdawuni Sibanda nase ngifuna ukukhatha.
Ayi.
Ukhona ufuna ukutsho ungavalelisa abalaleli bathe uthi nxa befuna ukuthola u-Abed Nkosana
Yeah.
ku-social media bakuthola ngaphi.
Yeah. Bakithi balaleli sibonga kakhulu balani njengoba senjilo ke u-Abed Nkosana social media ngikhona ku-Facebook Abed Nkosana then bathi yini le bantu be TikTok
Yeah.
Abed Nkosana artist so lingandinga labantu bakithi ngiyabonga kakhulu.
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp inumber sithi 776
Yeah.
550 789.
Yes. This is Bulawayo Chills. We are going to be giving you what is happening in and around Bulawayo and Bulawayo's relationship with the neighboring cities, Konapana, and the neighboring countries there, and the neighboring parts of the world, Konapana. Your host here is Mdawuni Sibanda Chuma for Bulawayo Chills. A new kid on the block there, but a kid that is already born with teeth. I don't. It's concerned I'm going to go.
I'm going to put down.
And do you know you are the first Bulawayo Chills. What is Bulawayo Chills?
Bulawayo Chills. Bulawayo Chills. Bulawayo Chills.
Right. Lapana ngubambili engikhona enye into ongasayi khulumanga eqhakathekileyo any new projects coming on. Abantu kumele bawukhanyele.
Yes,
Ngibone something ulo King Adiza laphana.
Sengisebenze la mfana kakhulu la mfana sahamba kakhulu. Then akule project vele ngiphezulu.
Ungoma ka King Adiza lana ethi yona ithi Geza ukhona.
Hayi laphana ngeke.
Wona ukhona
password.
Wow, ingoma ndane ama password and
Yeah.
ngizakubiza futhi sikhulume ngayo.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, there the voice and face of Zexman Mdawuni Sibanda Chuma for Bulawayo Chills. Thanking our guest here, Abed Nkosana. You got his tags there. Follow this gentleman. Ingoma zakho mngani wami athi ngiyakutshela. Ngazilalela kudala. Yeah, very good, my friend.
Hayi, super kakhulu.
Yes, thank you so much for coming by.
Hayi, ngibonga mina ukuhosta.
Valelisa phela.
Bakithi ngiyabonga kakhulu. Next time zabe ngikhona futhi la. Yes, ihlale lire. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Guys, ndakwathi uMdawuni nxa sevalelisa uthini? Uthi this is the voice and face of Zexman Mdawuni Sibanda Chuma signing off there. Ciao.